And we have some news just coming in at this point in time. Amid the NEET controversy, Bihar State Examination Board has postponed the competency test, for teachers, which is CTT 2024. The next date is going to be sometime in the month of July, is what we know. The competency test for teachers has been postponed in the state of Bihar. This comes amid a time when the NEET controversy is also raging. The exams have been cancelled, and not just the NEET, but also the Bihar State Examination Board has postponed the CTT test. The date is going to be sometime in the month of July, is what we know. Is there some sort of discrepancy expected also, or being anticipated in these exams as well, as far as the competency test for teachers is concerned? Because this too has now been postponed. There will be a new date that's going to be given out by the authorities. We'll also be going back, in fact, to my colleague Aditya for more details in a moment from now. But yet another exam has been postponed, is what we know. The exact reasons, the details are awaited as of now. The Bihar State Examination Board has postponed the competency test for teachers. The next date is likely in the month of July, is what we know. Aditya is getting us more details on that story. Aditya, why exactly has the teachers' examinations been postponed? What are the details?
Well, exactly, Sneha. As far as the entire sequence is concerned, of course, this comes in the backdrop of the controversy pertaining to alleged leak of NEET 2024 question papers. But what we have been given to understand by the Bihar State Examination Board, that this examination has been postponed because this clashed with some other examination already notified on the same date. So this is what we have been given to understand, and also we have been given to understand that the same exam is likely to be conducted in any time in July this year. So this is what is transpiring from informed sources. But of course, Sneha, this comes in the backdrop of the entire controversy pertaining to NEET question papers in Patna.
All right, Aditya, be with us. I'll just come back to you for more details.